All right, another day. Finished the front. Definitely got to touch up the bumper. Nothing I could do about it. There's just some things that I need to touch up paint. I'll wait for that also. And then what I'll do is I'll re-compound, a couple chips. But the hood definitely looking good. Chip here and chip there and up here. So yeah, I'm just going to try to get it as perfect as possible. Headlights are looking good. I buffed them very lightly just because, throw a little wax on there. Also, of course, this is only stage one of this, and more is to come. I also have to, of course, seal all this, wax it, probably even going to ceramic coat this thing. All right, other side time. Moving, pretty quick, but it's because it's pretty clean. That's why. Yeah, this wheel is really not that dirty. These are not bad for being, 20 years old. It's doing pretty damn good, actually. Not a lot of caked up stuff on there at all. Just waiting for a couple things. Coming out pretty decent, actually. All right, doing this section now. And yeah, it's a little dirty underneath, I guess, over the years of the good old grime and stuff. But one of the things, too, see, there's a couple little marks. Not really doing that too much with precision with one hand, but you kind of get the idea. There was a mark here from this. Still got to clean this. And there's a couple little scuff marks from, I guess, people's shoes coming in and out. Getting all those out also. Definitely going to probably have to get some tar remover. Thought I had some, but no, it's just bug remover, so gotta get that out too and clean in these drawer jams. But yeah, now I'm doing this side of the vehicle. I'm just trying to kind of finish up. Yeah. See what I could do. I could definitely tell you these crossbars have never moved before. Yeah, definitely not. I'm going to polish these up. I'll have to do that last. Look how nice this looks. Oh, what a difference. Yeah, these are going to really come out really nice. Also got to do the insides of the bars. This way everything is just looking, as it should, is brand new. I figured you were going to go inspect. Hey, am I doing a good job? Huh? Yeah? Okay, cool. Well, we'll do it. We'll do it. Yeah, you a good boy. You a good boy. All right. Hey, come on. I got to do the top. I know you like ladders, but what are you doing? No. Where are you going? No cats allowed, buddy. Difference. I love stuff like this. Look at that. I just want to show you. I know I showed it already, but look at that. You see it's got like the hue to it, the discoloration from the sun, and just a little fade out. Wow, did that really come up really nicely. Now the big difference is also up top here. Look at the difference. I did half and half now. That's where the poles were originally. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that nice? Now on this side, you can see those marks are gone. I'm probably most likely going to return the bars to where they were. They probably don't make any noise there or whatever. And you could adjust them. They're free. They easily move back and forth too. So there you go. Making big progress. I mentioned this in other videos about this tar here. This is actually the worst part of this vehicle. So I remember when I was younger, it was like bug and tar remover from turtle wax or something. It came in like an old school bottle that you'd untwist it and then kind of like go over it and then put it on the rag and then go back and forth. But I don't see that anymore. Check out this 3M. It is working, actually. It's a little slow, but I'm going to work it until it's gone because you know what? Can't stand the way that looks. It's pretty good, I'll tell you. First I was like, this thing is not even working, but yeah, it is. Guess you got to kind of hit it a lot. This last one's going to be hard because it's like it feels like a chip, but it's not a chip. It's like a clump. But you know what? I didn't think I was going to get the other stuff off. And trust me, I was really trying to get that off too, by the way. I buffed this thing, but I didn't want to go too hard because, it took about like a rubber plastic or whatever. So that's the thing. Yeah, little by little, getting all these little things out. Next step is basically waiting. I'm still waiting on the stupid marker. It's really bothering me. So I could like finish, go over everything, seal this thing up, do my next coating, then we'll be good. Oop, there we go. All right, yeah, that's definitely gonna come off. Yeah, definitely 3M adhesive remover. There you go. Yeah, first time out. Not done, but definitely is looking really, really good. I have to say, it's looking nice out here. Big storm, so yesterday, just have to continue on. You know what? I'm not really in a big rush with this, but this vehicle is really not difficult at all. I'm waiting for the lights to come in for the center map console, and then I'm waiting for these LED bulbs and then the yellows for the bottom. I didn't end up doing, these are the high beams. I kept those factory with the daytime running lights. I don't like that look of like blue daytime running lights. I rather have it the city light look, like European. I definitely think that's nice. So I only did the 2 bulbs to keep it kind of, I guess if it would look more factory in a sense. Yeah, but definitely looking nice. Wheels are looking nice. Clean them up a little bit more. Everything just coming out really good, actually. So we will continue on.